Why can't you tell me if you took an oath of office? Seriously, I can't believe this. I'm in Mount Brook Court and the judge won't tell me whether he took an oath to office. I mean, this is embarrassing. Embarrassing to the entire country here that we're in court and to make any safe he took an oath to office. What is wrong with every one of you? What are y'all doing? In America, the judge don't even take oaths of offices anymore. This is crazy.
This one's something else today. We're seeing the hearing unfold through the sovereign citizen's own camera, like he really thought filming from his side would somehow prove his point, but it ends up doing the exact opposite. He starts talking like laws just stopped working because he doesn't believe in them. Saying it out loud like that changes anything is wild to watch. Curious what you all think of this one. Feel free to share your thoughts and also take a guess at how much logic this guy's actually working with right now. Because from where I'm sitting, it's not looking great. What really stands out is how confidently off base someone can be and still think they're winning. Let's jump in and see how the judge handles this whole situation from start to finish.
Good afternoon. Oh, about here? I'm the administrator for that matter. I said I'm the administrator for that matter.
Mr. Key, you're charged with trespassing in the 3rd degree. How do you understand that charge?
Your Honor, you'll never stand over me, so when you say I understand, please elaborate.
Do you understand the charge of trespassing in the 3rd degree?
No man will ever stand over me, sir. So please say it again. I'm sorry.
I'm not doing that again.
Okay.
You are charged with trespassing in the 3rd degree. How do you plead on that charge?
Before I plead, I need to know that I was told that you're a man of God, and I was told that you took an oath of office. Did you take an oath of office?
I am not answering questions. This is an arraignment.
You're not going to answer. You're supposed to be the judge, correct? You're not going to tell me whether you took an oath of office or not.
Have you removed from the courtroom? You can plead on this charge. And what we will do is then set you plead guilty. And we'll go one course. If you plead not guilty, then I'll set your case down for the trial.
You're not going to tell me whether you took an oath to office. You're a judge to this county of Mount Brook. Why can't you tell me if you took an oath of office? It would proceed to say that you did take an oath of office. You're going to remove me, so you're just going to make me leave. You're not going to tell me whether you took an oth of office or not. I'm being removed? Why am I being removed for? I didn't enter a plea. I didn't say anything, sir.
Mr. Keys.
I'm going. I'm going. Why can't you tell me if he's going to take an oath of office? Did you take an oath of office?
It's time to go.
Okay. Hold on. What trial? I didn't take. I didn't take a plea. What are you talking about? How can you make it?
Your verbiage is not helping, and I'll take your verbiage as a plea of not guilty unless you want to plead guilty. I said, did you take an oath of office? And you won't respond to me. Why won't you respond to me, sir? Did you not take an oath? Did you not take an oath to defend God, this country, and the children around the world? Really? Seriously, I can't believe this. I'm in Mount Brook Court and the judge won't tell me whether he took an oath to office. What's this country coming to is what I don't understand. Well, I'm not taking no paper from you. I mean, this country, you did take an oath to office, did you? You did take an oath of office. Huh? You did take an oath of office. Well, I mean, you didn't take an oath of office.
Let's go,
huh?
Mr. Keys, let's go.
Where are we going?
We've got you're being escorted out. We've got a lot of other cases we have to get to, so come on.
This man did not take an oath of office. The judge here did not take an oath of office.
It really feels like the only reason this sovereign citizen is spiraling is because the judge finally stopped entertaining his fantasy script, and now this whole plan is crumbling right in front of everyone. He really walked in thinking he could say a few made-up legal phrases and walk right back out like it was some kind of shortcut through the system. He came ready to speedrun the courtroom like he unlocked some cheat code. But instead, we're watching him unravel live with full commentary. Also, we have to talk about the outfit this man pulled up to court dressed like he's about to host a paranormal live stream from a parking lot, GoPro strapped to his head, looking like he's filming a vlog titled How to Lose a Case in Record Timmy have no clue how security let him through the door dressed like that. It might be the most chaotic courtroom outfit we've seen in a while. The judge kept it professional, but you could just feel the internal question of, did this guy really wear a costume to a felony hearing? Drop your take in the comments on how wild his courtroom strategy is right now. Scale of 1 to 10, how far off the rails are we here?
Brook, and he can't even say he took an oath of office. I mean, this is embarrassing. Embarrassing to the entire country here that we're in court and to make any safe he took an oath of office. Yes, sir.
You need to go?
I'm going. I'm going right now. But this is a disgrace to this country. I surely hope that you took an oath of office, didn't you?
Let's go.
Will you not answer my question?
No, I'm not answering any.
So you didn't take an oath of office either? To defend the people around the world? Seriously, I cannot believe this. In America right now, we got people, the judge he won't even tell me if he took an oath of office. This man won't even tell me if he took an oath of office. Y'all going into somebody that won't even say he defends the country, that he defends the United States of America, that he doesn't care about the kids. This is crazy. And none of y'all people, none of you care about it. Why am I the only one that cares? Why am I the only one that cares about this? Huh? Nobody cares about this. What is wrong with every one of you? What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing in here? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
What did they tell you? I do care about our kids. My daughter is a Birmingham police officer. So.
Did he take an oath of office? Because the policeman wouldn't even tell me he took an oath of office. The judge wouldn't even tell me. He wouldn't even tell me. He would not tell me. I asked him, did he take an oath of office? You know what he said? I don't have to answer that. He told me he didn't have to answer that. He didn't have to answer that. Now, thank you. There's one person that agrees with me.
No, we agree with you.
Oh, so thank you. So y'all all agree with me. This judge you're going to see right now will not say if he took an oath of office. I cannot believe this. In America, the judge don't even take oaths of offices anymore. This is crazy. I cannot believe I did not enter a plea of guilty or not guilty. I did not do anything because he wouldn't tell me if I took it. He wouldn't take any of my documents. I've got all these affidavits right here, and he calm down, Christopher. I'll be back later.
He'll be back all right back in custody the next time he even steps near that courtroom. This guy acted like he was the lead in some courtroom action film, but really he's just the side character who gets written out in the first 5 minutes. And can we talk about the way his neck looked while he was yelling like it was about to pop from sheer sovereign citizen frustration? You could practically see a vein trying to submit its own legal motion. The energy he came in with made it seem like the judge personally offended him over lunch money. But credit where it's due, the judge handled the chaos with total control, calm, collected, probably wondering how he ended up mediating a grown man wearing a GoPro in court. Let me know your thoughts on that last hearing and buckle up, because this next one is about to get just as wild, if not more so. Let's dive in.
You're from some alternate universe where you don't have to obey the laws of the state.
No, you don't respect the law, sir. You see this? Are you looking? Well, I'm forced to do this. Anything I do with y'all is under threat, duress, and coercion. So any judge who does not comply with this oath of office to the Constitution of the United States wars against the Constitution and engages in acts.
All right, I'm going to mute your microphone. I don't want to hear this creep.
As you just saw from those highlights, this sovereign citizen is completely off the rails, but the judge handles the situation like a total pro, calm, steady, and in full control. Drop your thoughts below on how you think it all played out. Always curious to see what everyone else picked up from it. No, let's jump into the full hearing and watch how the judge keeps things in check while this guy unravels in real time.
Morrow Bay, are you there?
Yes, I am.
All right, this is file 21213ST. It's entitled People versus Samuel R. Perdue, who refers to himself as Samir Siraj Morrow Bay. His mother named him Samuel R. Perdue. Mr. Perdue, you got another ticket for driving with a suspended license. Second offense, that's a misdemeanor punishable by up to a year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. You're also charged with speeding. I'm assuming you're going to plead not guilty to both of those?
No, of course not. I'm innocent, and my name is not Mr. Perdue, so I would appreciate if you didn't call me Mr. Perdue.
I'm just gonna piss off the judge for you.
All right. Well,
Mr. Bay, I
Mr.
made it
Morrow,
clear.
okay, let me tell you this. Stop. Yeah, you're from some alternate universe where you don't have to obey the laws of
No,
the
you don't
state.
respect the law, sir.
Stop. If you drive again here in St. Joe County, I'm gonna set
Right
your
to
butt
travel.
at $10,000.
And also,
I'm gonna
lie
set
to
this.
you. You see this? Are you looking? I was forced to get this license. I don't want it, but as you can see, your officer is a liar.
Well, what's the name on that? Is that Samuel Perdue or Mr. Morrow Bay?
Well, I'm forced to do this. Anything I do with y'all is under threat, duress, and coercion.
So you have-
every time I travel, clearly,
All right, you
one of
have,
your commercial mercenaries keep pulling me over.
you have a driver's license?
Because your commercial mercenaries continue to pull me over, and they won't leave me alone.
Well, stop driving. At least stay out
I
of.
don't drive. I travel.
All right, traveling is one thing, driving is another. You can travel all you want. All right, but let me make this
That's
clear.
what I'm doing, and they won't
So-
let me travel. They won't let me travel on my own land.
Honestly, it might be time to stop giving these sovereign citizens so much space to perform the moment they start going off with the made-up legal talk. Just cut the mic and move on. If you don't believe in laws, fine, go live off the grid and debate a tree about your right to travel. There are real cases that need attention, and watching someone derail an entire courtroom because they saw a Facebook post about maritime law is just wasting everyone's time. This guy in particular takes it to another level, talking over the judge, refusing to follow even basic courtroom conduct, and showing zero professionalism. But the judge, he's not playing along, not for a second, and it's honestly refreshing. He stays sharp, keeps control, and doesn't let any of the nonsense slide. You can see it in his expression too. No games, no tolerance, just straight law. In order, what do you think? Is the judge handling this the right way? Let's get back into it and see how it all unfolds.
And you're violating the law, and you know it.
Violating the law.
Well, one of us is.
He's definitely violating the law. And anybody who needs to know anything about the
Now,
law,
slow
talk
down,
about it.
slow down for a minute. That license you held up, is it a valid Michigan driver's license?
Is it a valid Michigan driver's license? Well, I was forced to go to your Secretary of State because you guys won't let me travel on my own land. That's as valid as it is. What's really valid is my nationality that you keep denying. So you're denying me due process, and you know it.
Well, you haven't been convicted of anything yet. I'm just telling you, if you continue to keep driving on some cockamamie
I don't
thing,
drive.
You're behind the wheel of a car. Give me this BS about traveling versus driving. I'm just telling you right now, you heard it here. If you drive again in St. Joseph County and you get another ticket, I'm going to set a very high bond. You can sit in jail for 28 days until we sort this out. You're presumed to be innocent of the charges that you're charged with, and you've exercised your constitutional right to plead not guilty.
No, I
You're
didn't
gonna-
plead not guilty. You said
Plead
that. I said
innocent.
I'm innocent.
All right, fair enough. We'll set this for a last pre-trial. Are you still at 312 North Sage Street, apartment 302?
North America is my domicile. You can send whatever information you want to that address. That is fine.
All right.
Very smart.
So any judge who does not comply with this oath of office to the Constitution of the United States wars against the Constitution and engages in
All
acts.
right, I'm gonna mute your microphone. I don't wanna hear this crazy, nonsensical thing. I'm setting you for a last pretrial. We'll pick a date and I'll send it to you in the mail. I don't expect it'll settle the case. You already have one case set for a jury trial. We'll probably set both of these for a jury trial. I will give you credit. You always log in a timely manner, which I appreciate. I'll give you a new notice. It'll be on a Thursday afternoon. We're going to skip the regular pretrial and just go right to the last pretrial. I expect it to be set for a jury trial. All I'm telling you is stop driving. in St. John County. All right, sir, you're good to go.
Place your bets down below. Do you think this guy's really about to hit the road again without a license? Because my guess he's headed right back to the same courtroom with a fresh new ticket, like he didn't learn a single thing at this point. Every officer in that area probably knows exactly what his car looks like. They've got to be keeping an eye out after the way he acted during this hearing, and the way he tried to talk his way out of it with absolutely no legal foundation was something else. Like, this isn't debate club, this is court. Gotta give credit though, the judge handled it like a pro, and honestly I'm usually not a fan of Zoom court at all, but this judge actually made it work. Finally, someone who knows how to use the mute button when things get out of hand. Let me know what you thought about this hearing and how it stacked up against the last one. Both were wild in their own ways. Appreciate you all for watching and take care till next time.